Good evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Thursday, June the 10th. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 51 remaining box numbers. We got number 3, did random teams for it. On the left, teams, the customer has been randomized and alphabetized. Gave everybody a chance to trade. Had one trade go down. I'm just going to double check chats one last time. I'm not seeing anything else. How you doing, Adam? All right, here we go, folks. Trading is closed. Bam! I couldn't see, guys. Bam! Well, gonna be a cold hit on that, guys. It is gonna be the Colts that is going to be. Man. Dallas Clark Eclipse Authentic, guys. You got JSA sticker and card on that one. Bam, going to be a cult hit, folks. Well, Nick finally getting on a track there, everybody. Nick been hitting a whole lot better the last little bit here. He hung in there. He had a very slow start, but he hung in and finally starting to grab a couple of things. Well, we're starting to spread it out, guys. That's the other good thing here. Getting a lot of different people with hits. See if the streaks have stopped there for a while. That's going to be an Angelo. Hit a net. All right, thank you, SD. Said keep. All right, we're going to pull out one of the Knicks. Got a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times. Going to be Juju and Jason are the winners on that. That is qualifier 35 and 36. We're 18 boxes into our series. We got 50 boxes left, guys. Still, all your biggest hits are all still out there, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and even Twitch. 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.